Welcome to another Fredericton Kia video. It's Friday, and it's Fun Friday. It's also Halloween weekend. Let's start today's video.
Fun Friday!
Listen, there's lots of Halloween costumes out there that are good and some bad.
Well, I'm a potato or a spud, and these are my antenna. So Sputnik becomes Spudnik. Spudnik.
But make no mistake, this is the K5. It is not a Halloween costume for the Optima. This is its permanent class. Come check it out for yourself. Brand new Kia K5.
I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Fredericton Kia. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out all of our social media, and visit our website at frederictonkia.com.